guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have had the longest day of my life. I'm in Florida right now, in Tampa, Florida, and I just got in my room for the hotel. I got to my airport in Kansas City around like 10 something, or was it 11? I don't even know, but I got here in Florida. I landed around like 4 something, and then I had to wait 2 hours to get on the shuttle for the hotel, so that took forever. But you know, everything happens for a reason, so it's fine. I'm just tired and I would like to go to bed like right now, but I'm also hungry. But I'm so excited because I'm going to be staffing the Passport to Discovery cruise. It's like the working cruise. So I talked about it last year in one of my videos, I don't remember which one, but basically it's just for like acting, modeling, singing, dancing, all that kind of stuff. Like they do different competitions and stuff, and then there will be over 100, oh my arm's getting tired, over 100 talent scouts and agents and managers on the ship. So last year I did that as a contestant, and then this year I'm staffing, but I haven't got signed with anyone yet because of my accident I had last year after the cruise happened the day before Thanksgiving. So hopefully this is finally my time to get my life started. I'm gonna be 20 this month, which is insane, and that's just so weird. But so I flew here, I'm by myself, I have my hotel room. It's just pretty simple, and then I'll show you right now. The view outside's pretty. There's a gorgeous sunset, palm trees, the ocean. I'm glad I didn't get a room facing towards a parking lot on the other side, so this is nice at least. But it's been a day, you know, it's been a day. So I am going to try to vlog as much as possible and see what happens. So this is gonna be fun, and this is my first time being like an actual adult by myself, flying, hoteling, cruising. So I'm tired. I'm sure you're tired of me talking, so let's get on with it, and I'll see you in a little bit. Ooh. Oh. See that? Oh my gosh. Hey guys, so check in. I couldn't vlog yesterday because I was so busy staffing, but today we're in Key West, Florida, and then Thursday we're going to Cozumel, Mexico, which I was in last year. But so it's so pretty, and we actually got like poured on, but then it is like super sunny right now. But so I just thought I would show you guys a little bit of it, and there's like a group of like 12 of us, so it's pretty big. So we're about to get Ubers to go back to our ship because we walked so dang far. But so it's really gorgeous, and it's really actually nice out. There's like a light breeze, pretty great. And yesterday I just did a bunch of like working, staffing, nothing too exciting. Tonight we have the Decades night for like costumes and stuff, so I'll have to show you my outfit for that later. That's about it for now, so see you later. Hey guys, so check-in for the day. We have Decades night, and I'm this like punk rocker 80s chick, you know, kind of vibe, and she's, you know, the little poodle skirt, you know, sandy Grease kind of girl, looking all cute. Caitlin. I had no time to do my makeup, so focus please, focus, thank you. But yeah, it doesn't matter because I'm just like a partier 80s rock chick. So yeah, that's for, was it Tuesday? Tuesday night. So let's go have food because I'm starving. Yes. And we'll see you next time. We'll see you later. Bye. Oh my gosh, vlogception. What is happening? Ah. Don't we look so good?
Bad as hell.
Hey. Look at her.
Down there with our cameras.
Sexy. Look, you can actually see our outfits. Wow. Oh, we're not here yet. This is actually, I don't know if I said that or not. Ah.
We're going Madison.
We going to dinner because we hungry.
We're going to the all-white party. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna show up.
That's true.
Yes.
I'm just, you know, food's on my mind. Food's on my mind. Hey, so we just got back. We're walking back to our ship. It's right over here. we are in Cozumel, Sienna. Hi, she's back in my room, and it's so windy. We took some cute pics, and we're hungry, so we're gonna go get some food. So I'll just see you later. So we're at dinner, and my dinner's not here yet, and I'm supposed to be at my post at 9:15, and it's like 9:05, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but you know,
It's game night.
she's vlogging, a vlogception. So yeah, it is Pirates, Caribbean, you know, Treasure Island type of vibes. I braided my hair, and it's all like crazy, and then this is my outfit, and it's like, you know, Amazon. Gotta love Amazon. What? You want to see everybody? Okay, okay, ready? Ashley, look at you, so cute. Oh my gosh. Hey, hey, what up? Hey. I actually was Ariel, so I mean, you know, it's not a lie. It's not a lie. Okay, well, this is our last like fun night. Tomorrow's formal night, so this is what you get for costumes. We'll see you tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow.